So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm gonna do a review on this Bissell SpotBot. Here I've got a stain on the carpet. On the bottom here, this has an automatic machine that's going to clean it. It's going to put solution down, suction, and the brush is going to turn. All you do is set it on top of the stain and forget it. This is the Bissell Spot Clot model number 2117A. Up here we've got a control panel. We've got quick clean, which is 3 minutes. We got deep clean, which is 3 minutes. Hose. I can take the hose off, attach this, and use it as a normal spot cleaner, but when I want to use the SpotBot part, I have to make sure this is hooked up. Here we've got the dirty water tank, and here we've got the clean water tank. This is where I add the solution. So again, all you do is set it on top of the stain, and you press the quick clean or the deep clean, and it's automatically going to put the solution down and turn the brush. Okay, so I've got the spot cleaner filled up with water. Now let's add our solution up to the solution line. And again, make sure you're buying solution that's marked for portable carpet cleaners. Let's put this on. Now we're going to slide this down. Now on the back, I like that it has a cord storage. So we're going to rotate this. We can take the cord off. It is 3-prong. We're going to go plug it in. Okay, so here's my stain. I'm going to simply set it on top of there. Again, it's got this big circle area right here. You're going to set it right there, right in the middle of the stain. And now I'm going to turn it on. Or no, you don't have to turn it on. You just hit, I'm going to do quick clean first. We can tell it's working because the suction's working. There's stuff going through the hose. So it turned off the suction, but the machine is still working. So it makes you think it's done, but the machine is going to stop the brush and then it starts turning it the other way. And then it turns the suction back on. Okay, so it beeped at me to let me know that the machine is all done. Again, it makes you think it's done because you'll hear the suction stop, the brush is still moving, but then the suction's gonna pick back up again. So it's not done until you hear the beeps. Now I'm gonna hit the stop button. We can take it up. That's pretty impressive. It got that stain out, and I didn't have to do anything other than set it on top of there. Again, it was really cool to watch. Again, there's the dirty water. It doesn't use a whole lot of water either. Now we'll just rinse that out real quick. So this thing was pretty cool to watch. What I noticed when I watched it is this bar is the suction right here, and it really hugs the carpet. So it is definitely sucking up the water. It definitely sprays the water right there. It kind of puts the solution down. But this thing goes around the whole circumference. Now that is exact. So if you got a stain, roughly I'd say probably 7 inches is what it's going to cover. You know, it's a little damp, but man, I'm super impressed with that. Let's try it. So yeah, the solution comes right out the middle. That's the suction bar, and these are the brushes. This is a pretty neat machine. Okay, so now let's act like a normal spot cleaner. You can just take and press this little button. This is stored right here on the back side. We're gonna take it off. Let's take the hose clean off. I'll demonstrate the hose clean. So it's gonna get a little loud right here, but I snap this on. When I press the trigger, I'll have solution come out under pressure. I've got my suction. And then at the end, I'm gonna put this on. This is gonna direct the solution down the hose. You have to have the machine on, and I still have to press the trigger. It's gonna let some air in, but I'll press the trigger, put some solution down the hose, but then at the end, I'm gonna take this off and just let it air dry for just a little bit. So let's do this. Now I have to press the hose tool button. So hit the power button, or no, there is no power button, but hit the hose tool button. Okay, solution's coming out. And again, just like a normal spot cleaner. Okay, so then when I'm all done, I'm gonna wrap the hose around. I wanna store it like this so that it's always ready to go. Again, store this on here, put this on the back. There's a spot for it to attach. Wind the hose up. There's a nice place to put the cord. This is very portable. There's a nice carrying handle right here. It's very well centered. It's a little on the heavy side, but not too bad. That's a pretty neat machine, how well it worked. I am super excited about this. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're going to definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.